Do you want to explain your videos, tell a story, or add a personal touch? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to record and add voiceover in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. For the step number 1 is to open CapCut app in your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the video or photo you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add. Once the clip is imported, move the playhead to the point where you want the narration to begin. The next step is to tap Audio. From the bottom menu, then select Record. Press and hold the record button and start speaking clearly into your microphone. Release the button when you're finished recording. Your voiceover will automatically appear as a new audio track in the timeline. Tap the voiceover track to access editing options. You can trim unwanted parts,
Applying
adjust the
audio.
volume, add fade-in or fade-out effects, or move the audio track to better match your video. Press the play button to preview your
Applying
project,
audio.
and you're done. That's how you record and add a voiceover in CapCut Mobile. Your voice brings story to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy editing. God bless.